This is the demo video of the plotter problem in assignment 7. The plotter program is very similar in some ways to the temperature monitor program from a previous assignment. It involves reading some numbers from a file and plotting them. However, instead of reading them one at a time and plotting them as it goes, it reads them into an array, which means it can then do the analysis on it and plot the data in several ways without having to reread the data. Let's have a look. If we read the data, and it always the demo reads from numbers large. There are several files of numbers you can read from. It reads all the data into an array. It then goes and works out some statistics of them, just as you did before, but this time from the array rather than directly from the file as it goes. It's got to find how many numbers, there's almost 2,000, the maximum number, 449, the minimum, the mean, and then for the completion component, the standard deviation, and for the challenge, find the median as well. That's computing the statistics. You can also plot it in two different ways. This time, instead of as a bar chart, which lets you just do one number at a time, it plots it as a line graph. So it's drawing a line between each two adjacent numbers. So I don't know, this number, it's hard to tell where the lines go because they're very small. This might be going from that number down to that number, if those are the adjacent numbers, and it draws a line. Okay. There are in fact a lot of them. If I resize the window, you'll be able to see that there's more of the graphics pane out there. But that's the same kind of plotting as before, plotting it from the array, not directly from the file. The other plot is a histogram, which is a bit like the exercise, the scores program in the exercise, which counts how many times each number occurred. So this is saying number 20, 23 or something like that occurred 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 times. This number here, let me get the pen, this number here occurred lots of times. I haven't got a scale on it, you don't have to. It's just plotting a narrow rectangle for each number saying how many times it occurred. It's therefore got to produce that histogram array. One array for reading the data into, and then it produces a histogram array or an array of counts, same thing, where for each possible number from number 0 up to 450, that's the maximum up here, it produces a counter, and then it plots that.